Hi, it's Nicole from 92.5 XTU. So excited to take you on this wellness journey. And you're probably thinking, why are we going on a wellness journey? Well, it's important to be the best version of yourself. So welcome to Renewus Promote Healthy Futures. We're doing metabolic testing. We're talking about comprehensive blood work. We're even doing a food allergy sensitivity test. This is optimal wellness, and I think you're going to be blown away. I am so excited to take you on this journey. This is Dr. Radu, who's the medical director here. We're going to basically talk a little bit about an overview of why Renewus is different, right? It's a optimal wellness center, as we like to call it. And so what I was blown away by is the comprehensive blood work and the results that we get. And so I thought it'd be really cool for you to talk a little bit about it. I actually have a binder where you can kind of see what it looks like. All the patients' names have been taken out, so don't worry.
So when we first see each patient, we do what's called a consultation.
Yeah.
And the consultation is really comprehensive. Patients are sometimes surprised when I say, tell me anything and everything that bothers you, which in medicine is really the dreaded question.
Right.
In this practice, that the more information you can give me, the better.
So you come for your initial test, and your previous results are here, and then the updated, and everything's color-coded, which I think is amazing.
And with the interventions, we watch whether it may be supplements, diet, exercise, hormones, medications. We watch as the numbers go from yellow and red to green. And that's our goal. Improvement in all aspects, whether it's your lipids, your blood sugars, your hormones, your thyroid.
It's so comprehensive, and I don't think people really will understand it fully until they come and see it for themselves, because I know I was completely blown away, and I thought it was fantastic. So I kind of wanted our listeners to meet you and to understand kind of how the process goes, and this is kind of an example of what your test will look like. I think it's so important to really get the blood work and then be able to see these results. That to me is phenomenal. So for more information, just go to renewus.com. That's renewus.com.